Material-engineered wood. Mounting type wall mount. Room type bedroom, study room. Shelf type wood. Number of shelves 6. Product dimensions 13.3 d x 35.1 w x 29.1 h. Features 3 square cubbies and 2 spacious, lower storage compartments, creating the perfect, catch-all, spot for organizing books, toys, games and more. Clean, white painted finish and 5 solid pine wood legs. Ideal size for children at 29 inches high and secures to the wall for added safety. Pair with folding fabric storage bins to conceal clutter with a pop of color, bins sold separately. Add modern flair and organization to your playroom with any of the RiverRidge Home Kids catch-all collection items. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for our space. It was not an awful assembly, however my husband didn't read the instructions and it drove him to need a beer at 10 a.m. haha. But he finally got it together and I loved how it turned out. Great spot for my son's books and toys.